How to fix Expedia app won't let me sign in problem. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the tutorial. So first and foremost you have to press and hold your Expedia application. Then it will display some of the options like app info. You have to select on it. Force stop the application and head to storage and cache. Then clear up the cache. Once it is done this way, if you do not have this feature, you can open up your phone setting. Scroll down until you see the apps option and tap on it. Select all apps and search for Expedia on the search bar. Force stop it once again, then tap on storage and cache and clear up the cache. On to the next step, you have to go ahead and open up your Play Store or App Store and search for Expedia. In here, we'll be searching for an update if there is any. Tap on it. Then leave it for an update if there is an update, or the last resort is to uninstall the application and later you can reinstall it once again. So these are some of the issue. For bonus, open up your settings option, head back, select the option of system update, check for your system update and make sure that it is up to date. If you are connected to a VPN, make sure to disconnect it before you try to log into Expedia application. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.